Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I wasn't really going to do a video about the pear preserves because I've done so many videos about canning, but yeah, if you've seen the last video, you've seen that we ended up with just a ton of pears, and I did make some preserves here last night. You can pretty much kind of think of it as a applesauce consistency, so it's pretty much almost exactly like applesauce, but it is crazy sweet. This is the first time I've ever done any kind of fruit preserve where I have added no sugar whatsoever of any kind. So I didn't sweeten it with anything, no dates, no sugar, you know, nothing. Like didn't need to. It was just so incredibly sweet the way it is that just there was no need to add anything. And really the only reason I'm making this video is to just kind of, you know, reiterate the point that I think I've made a couple times before in the previous videos, is that that's one of the best things about preserving your own food, is you can choose what you want in there. You can you can decide how sweet you want it, how sour you like it, like, you know, what you want to sweeten it with, whether you want to use dates or sugar or something else, you know, some kind of syrup, whatever. It's up to you, and it's just great. You know, I've done other kinds of things as well, where I've used other sweeter fruits to sweeten non-sweet fruits and things like that. And just the combinations that are possible are just so great. And like that's the thing that I really just want to kind of point out in this video, is that you know, you can basically make it however you like it, and have it your way, as they say. So yeah, I'm just very excited about this. You can see here we got 10 jars, 3 of the really big ones. I mean, these are roughly double the size of the little ones. So if you want to count 13 small jars, that's about what's here. And this is just a small fraction of the pears we have. I'm going to be working more today with Mrs. CO to make more. And yeah, I mean, it's hard to judge kind of how much we will end up with, but I would say we could easily end up with over 50 jars, no problem, and still have a bunch that we are eating and putting into other, you know, pastries and what have you. So yeah, just one tree, and I mean, I don't know, I don't want to even guess, because right now this is just a small fraction, like I say, and yeah, well, who knows, maybe it's even like 100 jars if we were to can all of it. So yeah, it's just really cool. I'm very excited. It's really good. This is probably like the best kind of thing I've ever like had, like, regarding pears, because we've never had a pear tree before. And yeah, there's just no way like I would ever buy this many pears in the store to make just, you know, kind of like a pear sauce or applesauce or jam type thing from it. So but having them just available like this is just wonderful. So really, for me, priceless. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everybody's good. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you're canning this summer. And yeah, even if you don't have things growing in your yard, a lot of times you are able to pick up stuff cheap at the farmers markets and local growing you know, kind of places. So check it out and see what you can do yourself. So thanks everybody for your support. See you in another video soon. Bye. Little bonus footage for everybody here. This is today's batch, another 14 jars. So super happy with this, and there's more to come.